Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have done inquiry letters. So, in this chapter, we have to study two formats of letter. First format of letter is inquiry and quotation letters. They come under business letters. Another type of business letters that we will study in this chapter, that is collection letters and reply letters. Now, inquiry letters, two letters that were asked in exam, that we will study today. So question number 35, in inquiry letter segment, you can see in the background a letter is given. I will read the question. Submit quotation form various laptops and printers on behalf of Ankita Comtech. Clarify terms and conditions for payments, guarantee, warranty and replacement. Assure for the best after sales services. Saurashtra University, March-April 2011. This letter was asked in 2011 question paper. So now first, before writing inquiry letter, you have to understand the question first. To whom we have to write a red letter? What is the requirement that is given in a question? That you have to refer carefully. After that only you can start writing letter. So first you have to understand the question, that is you have to submit a quotation. What is a quotation? Quotation means it is where the description of a product will be given, right? Example, here the company is Ankita Comtech. It is selling laptops and printers, right? So it is also a retailer, but we have to submit a quotation that on behalf of Ankita Comtech, a company, it is writing a letter to the another companies, right? To whom it is writing, that you have to, if it is not described in the question, that you can write any names, but if it is described in a question to whom the letter is going to be written, then you have to write that name. So here the first heading that will come, that is Ankita Comtech, who is writing a letter, quotation letter, where description of different laptops, printers and its different price will be given, right? Example છે, એક company છે interested to buy laptops and printers from your shop, but you first have to give them a quotation. It means what are the prices of different products and how these different products will be able to get, right? So who is writing a letter? That is Ankita Comtech. So first heading will be in the letterpad of or letterhead of Ankita Comtech. The address of Ankita Comtech is 203, Golden Square, Kalawad Road, Rajkot, 360, pin code 004, and date is when the letter is written, that is June 10, 2019. Now it is written to the manager, Union Bank of India, Gondal Road branch, Rajkot, right? So now Ankita Comtech is writing a letter to the Union Bank of India, Gondal Road branch, Rajkot, right? It is giving different quotations, prices of different products of different electronic items, laptops, printers. So now, as we have studied in the layout, આપણે લેઆઉટમાં જે સ્ટડી કર્યું છે કે ફર્સ્ટ it will be the company who is writing a letter, right? So સૌથી પહેલાં the company who is writing a letter will be in the top, right? Address of that company and the date will be given. After that, the address of the company or the address of the person whom you are writing a letter. So here it is a letter is written to the manager of Union Bank of India. So the address of Union Bank of India, the manager, will be the second part after Ankita Comtech and its address. Third thing will be, we will start a letter with a salutation, that is dear sirs, dear madam, any person whom we are writing a dear sir, right? So it will start with respected sir, right? So it will start with a salutation. Now the important thing after salutation is subject. We will write why we are writing this letter. A letter લખવાનો purpose શું છે? Why this company Ankita Comtech is writing letter to the manager of Union Bank of India? કારણ કે there was a requirement of laptop and printers from Union Bank of India. There was an inquiry. So giving a quotations, right? Writing a letter to Union Bank of India, it is describing about what kind of products Ankita Comtech is selling and what are the prices of different products, different models, right? So heading આવશે, that is subject will be supply of laptop and printers. Now the letter will start like this. We thank you for your letter of June 5, 2019, asking us to submit quotations for the supply of laptops and printer. Our prices and terms are as follows. Now in a table, right, you have to describe કે કેટલા પ્રોડક્ટ છે, તો સિરિયલ નંબર, કોલમ રોમાં આપણે હેડિંગ આપી દઈશું, તેથી સિરિયલ નંબર 1 2 3 5. આપણે 5 પ્રોડક્ટ સેલ કરીએ છીએ, એના આ મોડલ નંબર છે HCL 2013, CM 2193, AC 135, HP 303, HP 308. આ બધા મોડલ નંબર્સ છે, રાઈટ. ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન છે the second column, that is third column, HCL laptop, right, quantity 1, price 34,000, right. Same way compact laptop, price is 35,000, Acer laptop is 25,000, HP printer is 8,000, and HP combo, that is fax printer and scanner, it is of 15,000, right. So these are the descriptions of different products, different model numbers and price of different products, right. So quotation letters હતો, એટલે આપણી રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ શું હતી કે we have to give prices of different this model numbers, right. So we have given this. The prices are inclusive of all taxes and transportation charges. We are enclosing our latest illustrated catalog for your reference. We would like to deal with you on CWO basis. The above mentioned goods carry 1 year on-site warranty. We hope you will find our prices reasonable and terms and conditions favorable. We look forward to receiving your letter, placing an order soon. Yours faithfully for Ankita Comtech, Milan Kothari. Right, so this was a letter from Ankita Comtech to the Union Bank of India, Gondal, regarding giving the price of different model numbers અને વોરંટી પીરિયડ શું છે, ટર્મ્સ એન્ડ કન્ડિશન શું છે. તો તમે અમારી પાસેથી લેપટોપ લેશો, then what is the quotation of our company, how we are selling, right, what will be the date of payment, credit period, all that, right, what is the warranty, everything will be given in detail. So this question was asked in university, right. The same way you have to write a letter. Second letter was also asked in a university, April 2011. I will read. On behalf of Pari Garments, Porbandar, write a letter of inquiry to Prince Fashion, Rajkot, for different types of children garments, right. So on behalf of Pari Garments, so who is writing a letter? That is Pari Garments, Porbandar. સૌથી પહેલાં ક્વેશ્ચન્સને અંડરસ્ટેન્ડ કરી પછી આપણે લેટર આપણે લખી શકીએ, કારણ કે ફોર્મેટ તો બધું સેમ હોય. ઓનલી થિંગ ઇઝ હુ ઇઝ રાઇટિંગ લેટર ટુ whom, that we have to clarify from the question itself, right. And we have to first understand the question, કે ક્વેશ્ચન્સમાં શું રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ છે, right. So here when we read a question, it's on behalf of Pari Garment. On behalf of નો મતલબ છે કે પરી ગાર્મેન્ટ માટે તમે એક લેટર લખો છો, રાઈટ, એ લેટર ઓફ ઇન્ક્વાયરી ટુ પ્રિન્સ ફેશન રાજકોટ. પ્રિન્સ ફેશન રાજકોટ જે છે એને તમે લેટર્સ લખો છો ફોર ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ચિલ્ડ્રન ગાર્મેન્ટ્સ, રાઈટ. તો યુઝ્યુઅલી પરી ગાર્મેન્ટ જે પોરબંદરમાં સ્મોલ રિટેલ શોપ છે એ રાજકોટથી પોતાની ખરીદારી કરે છે. તો એના માટે લેટર લખે છે કે વોટ આર ધ પ્રાઇઝીસ ઓફ ડિફરન્ટ પ્રોડક્ટ્સ ફ્રોમ યોર શોપ એન્ડ વુડ યુ લાઇક ટુ ગીવ અસ એ કોટેશન સો વી વિલ બી એબલ ટુ પ્લેસ એ ઓર્ડર. અમારે ઓર્ડર પ્લેસ કરવો છે, બટ બિફોર દેટ વી હેવ ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ વોટ આર ધ પ્રોડક્ટ્સ એન્ડ યોર પ્રાઇઝીસ, રાઈટ. તો એના માટે આપણે લેટર લખવો છે. તો હુ ઇઝ રાઇટિંગ એ લેટર? દેટ ઇઝ પરી ગાર્મેન્ટ, સ્ટેશન રોડ, પોરબંદર, June 5, 2019. To whom it is written? Prince Fashion, ધર્મેન્દ્ર રોડ, રાજકોટ. પછી સેમ સેલ્યુટેશન આવશે, ડિયર સર, પરચેસ ઓફ ચિલ્ડ્રન ગાર્મેન્ટ. કેના માટે, શું પર્પઝ છે કે પરચેસ ઓફ ચિલ્ડ્રન ગાર્મેન્ટ્સ, રાઈટ. ઇન્ક્વાયરી કેના માટે આપણે કરીએ છીએ? દેટ ઇઝ ચિલ્ડ્રન ગાર્મેન્ટ માટે. So now we will, this is not a quotation letter but simple inquiry letter છે, right. We would like to introduce ourselves as a retailer of children garment in Porbandar. Your name has been recommended by one of our business friends, Srinath Fashions, Junagadh. We wish to purchase children garments in large quantity on regular basis if your prices are reasonable and terms and conditions are favorable. તો આપણે લેટરમાં શું લખશું એને કે અમે પોરબંદર બેસ્ડ રિટેલર છીએ, રાઈટ. અમે સારું સેલિંગ કરીએ છીએ પોરબંદરમાં. તમારું રેફરન્સ જે છે, યોર રેફરન્સ વી હેવ ગોટ ફ્રોમ, વી વુડ લાઇક ટુ નો ફ્રોમ યુ details like mode of payments, mode of transportations, trade discount, executions of order. We expect considerable trade discount as we wish to establish long-term business relations with you. We request you to send us your latest price list for our reference. We look forward to receiving your reply at the earliest. Right, so this is a letter from Pari Garments. It was asked in the Saurashtra University 2011. Now next heading is collection letter. Inquiry letter જે ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટમાં મતલબ આપણું જે ચેપ્ટર છે દેટ ઇઝ બિઝનેસ લેટર. અને બિઝનેસ લેટરની અંદર આપણે સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે સ્ટડી કર્યું દેટ વોઝ ઇન્ક્વાયરી લેટર, કોટેશન લેટર. And second type of letter, second subheading is collection letter, right. Now both of them purpose is different, right. Inquiry letter is just simply inquiring about any product and its price list, but when we talk about a quotation letter, it is also about giving the price list of different products. But when we say about collection letters are generally written for the purpose of collecting payments. પેમેન્ટના કલેક્શન માટે જ કોઈ લેટર આપણે લખીએ, દેટ ઇઝ કલેક્શન લેટર્સ. સો કલેક્શન લેટર હેઝ ટુ પરફોર્મ ટુ ફંક્શન્સ, ગેટ મની એન્ડ રિટેન કસ્ટમર્સ ગુડવિલ, રાઈટ. સો કલેક્શન લેટર્સમાં બી હાઉ યુ હેવ ટુ રાઇટ લેટર, યુ ઓલ્સો હેવ ટુ મેન્ટેન લોંગ ટર્મ રિલેશનશિપ વિથ ધ કંપની વિચ યુ આર ડીલિંગ. એટ ધ સેમ ટાઈમ you also have to maintain a goodwill, right. So how you will write, what will be your language, what will be your format, that all depends upon how better you write a letter, right. So your message will be clear in the letters, everything will be clear. Now collection letters are written in a series. The series allows the writer to increase pressure gradually, right. So in collection letters suppose the first time when you are writing a collection letter, it will be just reminding the other persons you are writing a letter for collection of a payment. Second letters in collection when you will give, then it will be again to generate a pressures about your money. Now reply means કે you are writing a collection letters, પછી ત્યાંથી કંપનીઝમાં if any problems they are having related to payments, તે લોકો પેમેન્ટ નથી કરી શકતા 10-15 દિવસથી, તો એનું રીઝન શું છે, તો એ લોકો એનું રીઝન આપશે, વોટ રીઝન્સ વાય દે આર નોટ મેકિંગ પેમેન્ટ. right?